Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this Doogee. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and tap on it. Then click on this red button. Now you need to select Allow in the pop-up, and as you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it using the same left button. If you wish to end your recording and save it, you need to click on the square one, the right one over here, tap on Save, and click on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to get rid of it, you can do that by holding it, tapping on this bin icon at the bottom and selecting OK in the Delete pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!